Here's two brothers, chocolate and white party and the light buff. Unbelievable how big they're getting. So beautiful. Here's our apricot female. And that's their brother. That's Buff Boy with the brown nose and beautiful green eyes. Oh, his eyes are amazing. See if I can get his green eyes somehow. He's amazing. Yeah, it's going to be impossible without making you seasick. You flip that cod up so they couldn't go under it. Okay, here is the other little female. She is gorgeous too. Apricot ears, pretty much buff body, white on her rear and on her back feet especially. And need to look at her eyes. She has more of the Schnauzer look in the face than any of them, I think. She's kind of a unique. The other ones are probably 50-50, but she really favors the Schnauzer side. The eyes, around the eyes especially. Wish I could get her eyes. Gonna hide it in the corner. It's her raccoon. There's her sister, trying to get in the sunroom. And look here, got the males hanging out together in a group. This little guy, I love his colors. They're all unique. There's something about all of them that's unique. All of their coats are gorgeous. They're all thick and luscious. There he is. Very nice. Yeah, I've got all side. Well, it did for a second there. They don't need to sharpen their teeth. Silly. Hey, don't chew his leg off. It's the witching hour.